Hello everyone, if you want to play Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced and the game is stuck on a black screen, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced stuck on black screen easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your graphic card drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser and then I'll show you AMD first and then I'll show you NVIDIA and Intel. Click onto resources and support, click drivers then. You're going to scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series and then model, click submit. You're going to click on your operating system. You're going to download the latest AMD Adrenalin drivers on your computer and install them. Now onto NVIDIA. Come here, click onto drivers. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form. So select your graphic card series, model, operating system, and then click find on here. And once it's done finding the drivers, you're going to download and install them. Now onto Intel. Come here, click onto support, download center. You're going to click onto graphics here. You're going to search for a graphics card here. Intel Arc B580, for example. You're going to download the latest Intel Arc drivers and install them. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now I have a fix that is for NVIDIA and AMD only. So right click on your desktop and then go into NVIDIA app. And then you're going to click onto system. You're going to go into advanced. You're going to make sure debug mode is turned on. What this does is it resets any overclocks that you may have set on your graphics card. So just click onto that because overclocks can be unstable and they can cause the game to crash or be stuck on a black screen. So just turn debug mode on. Now on to AMD, right click on your desktop, go into AMD Adrenalin, and then you're going to go into performance, and then you're going to go into tuning, and you're going to make sure automatic tuning is set to default. So no undervolts or overclocks should be running on your graphics card. After that, you're going to close this up. Now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform, which is same for me. You're going to right click on Assassin's Creed Black Flag, click onto properties, you're going to click onto install files, click verify integrity of game files, and also click browse on here to open Assassin's Creed games folder. Or if you want to know where the location is, you're going to go into your Steam's folder and then Steam library, Steam apps, common, Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resynced, right click on the Black Flag Resynced exe, click onto properties, compatibility, click disable full screen optimizations, and also click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply. Okay, and now you're going to go ahead and try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now work. It will not be stuck on that black screen problem anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.